Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without all the boring jargon. Today, we're diving into the world of drones. On the left side of your screen, we have the Hiturbo drone with 1080p camera, aka Hiturbo, and on the right, the Potensic Atom SE GPS drone, aka Atom SE. Buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. First up, let's talk about the price. Hiturbo is going for a wallet-friendly $79, while the Atom SE is priced at a whopping $299. That's right, you could buy almost 4 Hiturbo drones for the price of one Atom SE. But hey, maybe the Atom SE comes with a free trip to the moon. Who knows? Now, let's zoom in on the cameras. Hiturbo sports a 1080p camera. Reviewers love it for capturing simple moments like your neighbor's dog doing backflips. However, Atom SE takes it up a notch with a 4K camera and a Sony sensor, offering 12 megapixels photos and 4K at 30 FPS video. According to reviews, it's like comparing a potato to a DSLR. If you want to see every blade of grass in your backyard, the Atom SE has got you covered. Next, let's talk about how long these bad boys can stay in the air. Hiturbo offers 24 minutes of flight time with 2 batteries. Not too shabby, right? But the Atom SE flexes with a massive 62 minutes of flight time with its 2 batteries. Reviewers appreciate the extended flight time of the Atom SE, saying it's more than enough to film your entire family reunion, including the awkward moments. Alright, ease of use. Hiturbo is like the training wheels of drones. It's super easy to operate, perfect for kids and adults who still occasionally trip over their own feet. It's got features like altitude hold, 3D flip, and voice control. Reviewers highlight its user-friendly nature, especially for beginners. Meanwhile, the Atom SE is like a Swiss Army knife of drones. It has 3 flight modes: video, normal, and sport, and can hit speeds up to 16 meters per second. It also has GPS auto return, so it won't ghost you when it loses signal. Reviewers find it easy to use but packed with advanced features. Let's talk about build and design. Hiturbo is your basic, no-frills drone. It's durable enough, but nothing fancy. Reviewers note its lightweight and durable design, making it great for casual use. On the other hand, Atom SE is like the James Bond of drones. It's lightweight, under 249 grams, so no FAA registration needed. Plus, it's foldable and fits in your jacket pocket, perfect for those secret spy missions. Or just a casual day at the park. Reviews praise its portability and build quality. And finally, special features. Hiturbo has voice control, trajectory flight, and a headless mode. It's like the drone equivalent of a Swiss Army knife. Simple but handy. Reviewers appreciate these features for the price point. Atom SE, however, is a whole new level. It's got Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, Circle Flight, and PicSync 2.0 for a 4 kilometers control range. It's basically a flying supercomputer. Reviewers rave about its advanced features and capabilities. In summary, reviewers find the Hiturbo drone with 1080p camera to be an excellent entry-level option that is affordable, easy to use, and packed with basic but useful features. On the other hand, the Potensic Atom SE GPS drone is praised for its high-end camera, extended flight time, advanced features, and overall build quality, making it worth the higher price tag. So which drone should you buy? If you're balling on a budget and just want something simple and fun, Hiturbo is your guy. But if you're ready to splurge and want all the bells and whistles, then Atom SE is your new best friend. Either way, you're going to have a blast. Thanks for watching Buy Smart. And remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, happy flying!